गोवन्स फॉर गोवा ह्या संघटनेन आझाद मैदानार OCI रहिवाशांक भारतीय नागरिकत्व मेळचे म्हण एकता बसका आपयल्ली। समाज वावुरपी OCI नागरिकांनी आपली व्यथा मांडली। आमदार लेगीत ह्या बसकेक हाजीर आशिल्ले। OCIचो विषय विधानसभेत मांडपाचे आश्वासन तांच्यांनी ह्या वेळार दिले। रद्द जाल्लो भारतीय पासपोर्ट परत दिवपाची आणि दोनय पासपोर्ट दवरपाची मेकळीक दिवची अशी मागणी ह्या वेळार जाली।
Goans for Goa. We had organized this Goans for OCI, an open mic solidarity event, basically to invite people to come and open up on the issue. Many people are affected by the revocation of Indian passports and are suffering because they are not getting an OCI. So we wanted to get a discussion on this. So we are happy to know that many people, many activists, many politicians and advocates and legal experts have come here today. They have shared their views and we have laid before the people certain solutions that we will place before the government. Mainly the two demands that are coming up forward from this open mic session is, the first demand is that the revoked passport holders who are suffering currently for the last 1 year should be given immediate relief so that they can ease the burden on their head. And the second demand is dual citizenship for Goans, because we enjoy a privilege among other states in India because it's one of the states that Portugal citizenship is available only to Goans, and in fact Indian citizenship was, we were all Portuguese at one point in time, and Indian citizenship was later on dumped on us. So it's an ideal situation where the government of Goa, they want to do OCI, they could as an experiment give Goa a beginning, start OCI in Goa so that these people get immediate relief from all. This will solve all the three problems that I have identified in the speech.
गोमंतक TV खातीर पणजेच्यान समीप नार्वेकार।